Hi, this is Classic Techart and welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a typographic logo design. So this is a fantastic and more beautiful design. So please, let's begin. So first of all, I need to select this one and little bit small and should keep this counter side for the better clear. So I need to now go to the dashboard and select ellipse tool. So as you can see, the ellipse tool, in the meantime, the ellipse tool is the most important tool in this Adobe Illustrator. So no matter talk, I will now then exactly this typography or little design. So I need first to put this handler like that, put here, there. I think will be better. So what can I do? I just press the Alt and C and F. That means you can get it here. You see, the copy and paste in front. That's all. So I just use this shortcut key. So I copied all the things and I need it now there, here, and a little bit upper side. Go to the upper side like that. I think better. So I need to select all the things and go to the Pathfinder and minus it. So if you do not find the Pathfinder, and go to the Windows and you see this is the Pathfinder. You will get it. So guys, don't worry about it. You will get it. Everything is okay. Everything is available here. So I need a little bit here. So what can I do now? I just type the D. So go to the type tool and here click, and I need a little bit bigger, I think. So double click here, over here, and I delete all the things, clear, and I type D. You see the Arial category, character Arial and no italic. You can many things here, many items or many uh, here. So I just prefer narrow italic, and I just make bigger here, and I need it now just create the outline and put here this sample as a sample. So I think a little bit like that. I think better. So I think maybe a little bit and a bit position. I think it will be smaller, and this also a little bit small, and a bit smaller here. Yeah, go fade and fade away. Go here a little bit more. Back I needed to exact like that. A little bit here. Yes, I think it will be better. And go here. I think it will be better. So a little bit here. I think. Uh, and a little bit array a little bit here like that. Or better. Give better. Okay. Yeah, a little bit smaller like that. Okay, that's fine. I think that's fine. So maybe percent. I think it's better. Okay, that's fine. I think maybe taking actually much time. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Taking much time. Okay, that's fine. I think better. So I just to copy again, go to the press Control C and F. Done. So I think that'll be down. Oh, sorry, it's not working because I think it's. I'm sorry for that. I could not feel about it. So it is right now. Sorry for that. Yeah, this is the right way. That's why it's making problems. So I'm gonna just to keep all the things here. So a little bit more time. Because I'm trying to be thing here. So see, now it will be better, I think. So I need to now just copy and press, and I think a little bit here. As I need it like that. I need a little bit here like that. Yeah, will be better. So I think it that's fine. So okay, so I go to here and like that, a little bit bigger here. So copy by pressing Shift key, select, and go to here and minus the cut. And right now, just pressing Shift key and D and go to the pathfinder minus. You see exactly what I wanted. So there, guys, is I think almost done. So I need to go here and go to the color pick. See? Exactly what I wanted. Yes, you see how it's done perfectly. See? What I have done is a little bit color here. I think it will be better. You see exactly what I have done in the previous. So I just group all the things and see the better. Exactly what I have wanted. So I think delete one things and another I needed to keep here. You see, this is a fantastic design for the typography. If you wanted to learn something from here, please watch my video and comment in the below. Thanks for watching.